The fate of McDougald Terrace and the people who called the complex home is not clear. Carbon monoxide inspections at the complex were expected to wrap up tonight. So far, investigators have found more than 100 faulty stoves, 35 faulty furnaces, and 34 faulty water heaters. They're all admitting dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. As CBS 17's MACKENZIE STASKO explains from Durham tonight, the ongoing crisis is adding up.
Yeah, that's right. For the past 2 weeks, families from McDougald Terrace have been displaced, living in hotel rooms, and the cost for that is adding up to nearly $500,000.
Total expenditures, which includes the hotels, the stipends, transportation, and security on site, are approximately $485,000 thus far.
As crews finish up carbon monoxide inspections here at McDougald Terrace Apartments, the Durham Housing Authority is looking to the federal government to help pay for it.
We're seeking emergency funds to be able to cover our cost on this. Right
now, Scott says the Housing Authority is pulling money from its capital fund, money that's meant to be divided between all of Durham's public housing buildings.
That capital fund is for our entire portfolio. This is not just for McDougald Terrace. This is for all roughly 1,800 or so units that we have.
With dangerous levels of carbon monoxide detected in so many units and no concrete timeline on when residents can move home, Scott says he's concerned.
It can't go forever.
Now, it's unclear if or when the Durham Housing Authority will receive that federal funding to help pay for this. Scott says he'll have a clearer picture of just how much more this will cost once he gets those test results from the final remaining carbon monoxide testing from tonight. Those results are expected to be released sometime on Thursday. Live in Durham, MACKENZIE STASKO, CBS 17 News.
MACKENZIE, thank you. Tomorrow, Mayor Steve SCHEWEL will give an update on McDougald Terrace. That's at 11 tomorrow morning in City Hall Council Chambers. We plan to stream the event on our website. You can watch it on CBS17.com.